If you need long-lasting, vibrant and durable resin coating for jewellery, medical instruments or other precision work, COLORIT is the ultimate choice. Its superior quality, biocompatibility and customisable options make it a market leader in resin applications. To start, use an ultrasonic cleaner or degreaser to remove dirt, oil or any contaminants from the metal surface. Apply a layer of bonding solution to the metal surface. Always ensure you stir the colour thoroughly before use and always replace the lid. COLORIT offers a variety of vibrant colours. You can mix different resins to create custom shades. Colours can be mixed freely to create unique shades and effects. It's UV and light resistant, ensuring brightness over time. The colours adhere well to precious and non-precious metals, and it can be applied in thin layers for precision designs. Your finished jewellery is compatible with ultrasonic cleaning and electroplating. Use a fine applicator or brush to apply the liquid ceramic resin evenly onto the prepared surface and ensure the layer is smooth and free of air bubbles. Place the metal under the blue light curing unit and follow the recommendation for the curing time. COLORIT is easy and efficient to apply and uses a simple blue light curing process for quick and permanent hardening. Cure in multiple thin layers instead of one thick layer for better durability. COLORIT is extremely durable and highly resistant to scratches, shocks and impacts. The solid colours do not fade over time and it can withstand everyday wear, making it perfect for long-lasting applications. Remove any sticky residue with alcohol wipes. You can use fine grit sandpaper or grinding tools to refine the surface. Using COLORIT ensures a professional, durable and vibrant colour finish on jewellery.